I'm starting to think that black people are taking this Black Panther Wakanda thing a little too far. Although none of these are actually the Black Panther, these seem to be the Super Friends. I guess they don't want to be Black Panther because they don't want there to be a challenge today. But it's getting a little out of hand. What else can we see in wacky Africa? That's that thing whenever you come out to get in your car and there's a python in the window. But some people have them as pets. That's not that unique, even in the States here. It's that thing whenever you really, really love her a bunch. It's that thing whenever you kill a crocodile and you don't have a way home, so you set it on the motorcycle and ride that ass home. Black people actually are capturing hyenas, and they pull all their teeth out, and they'll still bite the shit out of you, so they wrap their faces up and do things, and they do the same thing to the baboons. If you look, they got sticks and stuff. It's really pretty vicious. Here's a guy that caught a shark and he's taking it home. He's got a stinkfish. He's got a mud shark on his back. They're working out with weights made out of concrete blocks. That's just like a prison thing. Somebody's bringing a casket home for somebody. That's actually a nice made casket. I don't go for the gaudy silver handles, but nice casket. Oh, who's got your lip? It's that thing from Lady and the Tramp when they eat the spaghetti. This is three sisters that are really in touch with each other. Which one do you like? The one that has the solo cups on her head on the left, the one with the Van Halen symbol on the right, or the one that's holding onto the other two's lip that's in the middle? Or D, none of the above. Oh, wow, here we got a human door knocker right here. Knock, knock. Who's there? It's a lady who can put her lip around a big kid's head like a basketball. She's got a like scar V in her head. That's weird. He doesn't look too happy about that. Oh, she's got scarring on her arms. Yeah, so oh, they made their own pool table. I wonder if it's level. Those bumpers don't look like they'll work. Hey, want to hold her for your cell phone? I made a cell phone too. Now I'm gonna call my bitches. Somebody else made another yellow fake helicopter that won't get off the ground. And although this thing will get off the ground, I don't think I would fly in it. It's that thing whenever you have a flat tire and you're not gonna fix it, and the lion says he can try. It's that thing whenever you're trying to give a cat a bath, and no matter how big it is, it just doesn't want it. Look at the size of that frickin' crocodile. We repair what your husband fixed. Yeah, that's about right. We've got stuff like that here. Yeah, how you get a camel in a car. Hey, it's hump day. I think they've got something backwards here. Only in Africa would you see this, where they're carrying, that. Huh. Somebody didn't stop at the traffic cop like they're supposed to? Is he getting a free ride? Well, the police sure look different there. These are police, huh? And these are gay military guys. Look, and he's all like fags. He carries a slingshot into combat. What are? Hotels all over the place. I wonder if any of them are still existing. Hey, they've got outdoor plumbing. They got plumbing. That's the way it normally looks. Look, they're lucky they even have real toilet paper. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Their version of a cell phone? What? Trying to get a signal? Trying real hard to get a signal? About to get your ass electrocuted? I don't think that satellite dish is going to work. Are you picking anything up? Speaking of picking things up, you think you could hike that shit up anymore? That boy got any crotch to him at all? Look how far that tie goes over their pants. What the hell is that? Oh, they be sporting too. They get all dressed up like a peacock and canaries. Fancy ass. They be pimping now. Yeah, they be pimping. Over here look like a burn victim. Oh, that's funny. Look at this. Dial 911 for the police. But they only got 1, 2, and 3. They ain't even got the other numbers. How do you call 911 when you only got 1, 2, or 3? Do you push 3 times? And oh, now you're asking them to do math. Here's what the local ambulance looks like. You need the amber lamps? They went from doing peanuts to watermelon. When it's watermelon season, it's on. Yeah, we got some room for y'all. You need to get on. They'll cram in anything. It's going down the highway. Mattress salesman. Mobile mattress salesman. Bananas for your wedding. This man will push a snake up his nose and let it come out his mouth. Because he's fucked up like that. You know the game Angry Birds? They play it a little different in Africa. Wedding on somebody you know's motorcycle. I wonder how that works out on the honeymoon. That's a wedding right there, and the man in the middle with the dress on, that's the bride. Ooh, the hell? The Red Mask people. Yeah, she's out on patrol. Her and her baby. I don't know what the hell that is. I'm not even going to comment on that. What? So he could peek up over the bushes? They got this at sporting events for you. And that, although his act might be cool. But I don't think his act is too cool. Damn, he's like got bad gum disease. They even have to they just spray paint the field. They don't even water it. They just spray paint it. We as Hell's Angels in Shiat. In their gang fights, they use bows and arrow. I think somebody's got the wrong idea here. Oh, whoop that freaking lizard. Where'd you learn that from? Oh, you learned it from the elephants. Whoop that lizard. Isn't this the other way around? Am we supposed to be taking pictures of you? Look, lady brought a dead chicken into the store. She gonna ask for a chicken? She got one. They don't even get in line. They put their shoes and sandals there. They also are not keen on identifying wildlife correctly. And you never know what's going to happen on a safari. Sometimes they just crush your car. Pop your windows out. Here's some wildlife photography. You can see how this could go wrong if a male hippo showed up. You can ride little hippos. I wouldn't suggest it. I wouldn't go near a big hippo. You don't even want to go down the river when they're in the water. Speaking of down the river, they got giant Pac-Man frogs, and they eat mice. How about you just taking a nap in your camp and in walk some elephants? That'd be pretty damn cool. Or how about if you're having breakfast and a giraffe comes in and wants waffles? Or how about if you're having a wedding and it gets busted up from the elephant? Damn, look at the size of that mushroom. Too bad that ain't edible. And it ain't the kind that makes you trip either. And they actually have to put this sign up. A woman is your friend. Don't beat on her. Love, cherish, and protect her. And look at the picture. It looks like the baby done got thrown on the ground, knocked down. He's whooping her with something look like a belt. Beating on her, yank her, titty hanging out. Yeah, right there near the medicine store. Two missed calls, huh? Gangster's Paradise? These places don't look very user-friendly. Dr. Jesus Chemical Shop. Ladies and gentlemen, White Jesus Chemical Shop in Africa. Check that. There you go. I mean, that's where you get all your stuff. Like, share, and subscribe.